Okay, so here I am going to be applying L'Oreal Infallible Color 606 foundation, and you just want to spread it on your cheeks and on every surface of your face. Well, not every surface, but you get the point. And around your nose, and just rub it around. And don't forget your eyelids, because you don't want your eyelids looking a different color either. Under your eyes too, because of the dark circles. Next, you want to get powder. I am using Ulta powder, which I got for Christmas, and I don't know what color it was, but it was in a case, so yeah, it's kind of light. Just keep spreading. Next, I am using Icing Volume 4, and then just get an e.l.f. eyeshadow brush and get kind of silver goldish color, and put it around your eyelids. Exactly how I'm doing it right now. Now I'm getting a blue color to go with my shirt, and yes, I still have foundation on my hands, and just put that over your goldish color. As you can see, my eyes are a little blue. Now I am putting black all around, just on the edges of my eyelids. Now I am using Maybelline's waterproof pencil eyeliner, and just put it on the bottom waterline, and then put it on your top. The reason I do it like this is because I have no other way. Now I'm using Estee Lauder's mascara, and just put it all on, and if you feel like putting fake eyelashes, do that as you want to. It's your choice. So just keep putting it on your eyelashes. And then do your bottom lashes too. Next, I am taking Mary Kay mascara, and I am going to put that over the Estee Lauder's mascara, because this is waterproof, and yes, I am going out. Now I'm taking Jelly Bean chapstick, and now I'm taking Juice Lancôme's lip gloss. Now I'm taking lipstick from Estee Lauder in the kind of pinkish color that goes great with my lips, I think. And that's the end of the video.